Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a domain on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Settings right here at the bottom left. So just click on it. Now go ahead and look for domains. Okay, so click. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on Buy New Domain. So by default, you'll have a domain right here, which is for free, and is automatically connected. Okay, so again, if you want to buy one, just click on Buy New Domain. So as you can see here, automatically, your store name will be listed in here, and Shopify will go ahead and look for available domains for you. Now, if you like it, go ahead and click on Buy. And there'll be some suggested domains here as well. You can just wait for it. If not, scroll all the way down and find other extensions like .ph, .net, .org, okay, or .store, .shop, which one best fits your needs, okay? So for example, this one, gummiart.com, I can click on Buy, and then just wait for a new page to load. Now, all you got to do in here is that you can enable auto renew every year, or you can disable it and renew by yourself. Scroll down, contact information, registration type, is it an organization or just individual? Add in your first name, last name, your email, your store name, your phone and fax number, which is optional. The country, your address, basically. Scroll down and add in your payment method. Once that's done, all you got to do is just click on Buy Domain, and after that, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to buy a domain on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.